Let's cut straight to it. These are the 20 hottest Black Friday woodworking deals on Amazon right now. Massive discounts, pro-grade tools, and limited time price drops you don't want to miss. Let's jump in. Shape edges, cut joinery, and trim with precision using the AIV Power 6.5 amp 1.25 HP compact router tool, featuring 6 variable speeds, 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, LED work lights, and a smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system. The fixed base router includes 5 bits, edge and roller guides, and a dust hood for cleaner cuts. Now available for $67.97, 20% off the original $84.99, with free Prime shipping and returns included. Copy curves and odd shapes with ease using the EZARC Contour Gauge Duplication Tool, a 5-inch plus 10-inch set designed to trace pipes, trim, tile, and molding with precision. Its adjustable locking teeth hold profiles securely, while its durable ABS body resists wear and rust. Ideal for woodworking, auto bodywork, and DIY projects, it's currently priced at $29.99, 25% off the original $39.99, with a 15% coupon available at checkout and free Prime shipping included. All-in-one drilling, countersinking, and plug cutting just got easier with this versatile 15-piece set. Tapered pilot bits, depth stop collars, and wood plug cutters deliver clean, professional results in cabinetry and furniture work. Crafted from nitride-treated high-speed steel, it lasts twice as long as standard bits and ensures smooth and accurate countersinking with an 82-degree ketting angle. The EZARC countersink drill bit set is currently available for $27.97, 22% off, and you can apply an extra 5% coupon at checkout for even more savings. Mark with precision and carry with ease, this compact scribing tool adapts to over 15 marking tasks, from tiling and paneling to cabinetry and stud walls. Its anodized aluminum body resists wear, while the deep hole pencil and adjustable shape let you trace arcs and parallel lines effortlessly. The EZARC multifunction scribing tool is now available for $23.99, 20% off, with exclusive Prime pricing and free returns included. Cut cleanly and comfortably with this 2-piece Japanese pole saw set, featuring a flush cut saw and a double-edged ryoba for rip, cross, and trim work. Flexible SK5 steel blades stay sharp through repeated use, while ergonomic wooden handles reduce fatigue and boost control. The Gartal handsaw for wood cutting is now just $13.99, 30% off, with free Prime shipping and returns included, making it a top value pick for DIYers and pros alike. Make flawless thin strip cuts with ease with the thin Rip Jig Table Saw Guide, built from CNC machined aluminum for rock-solid stability and 1/32 precision. It fits standard 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch T-tracks and adjusts quickly without tools, ideal for repeatable rips on table saws, router tables, and bandsaws. Currently priced at $26.99, that's 25% off the original $35.99, with free Prime shipping and returns included. Unleash your creativity with the IBSUN 116-piece wood-burning wood kit, a versatile all-in-one set for pyrography, carving, embossing, and soldering. With a temperature range of 220 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius and 60 watts of power, it heats up in just 15 seconds for fast and efficient work. Packed with 69 tips, stencils, pencils, and accessories, it's beginner-friendly yet built for serious DIYers. Now available at a discounted price of $29.99, down from $36.99, with free Prime shipping and returns included. Smooth out rough stock and fine-tune joinery with confidence using the Amazon Basics Woodworking Hand Planer. Its cast iron body adds weight and stability, while the contoured grip and adjustable gear give you precise control on every pass. Outfitted with a 2-inch steel blade, it's built for clean, consistent cuts. Now available for $24.29, 18% off the typical $29.78 price, with free Prime shipping and returns included. Tackle branches, logs, and trim work with ease using the CPU Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch, featuring an 880-watt motor and a blazing 28.6 feet per second chain speed that cuts through 6-inch logs in just 8 seconds. Lightweight and one-hand operable, it's ideal for tight spots, ladder work, and users of all experience levels. With two 21-volt batteries, an auto oiler, and 5 built-in safety features, it's a compact powerhouse for yard work and DIY. Now going for $43.99, 36% off the original $68.99, with free returns and bonus discounts on qualifying purchases. Drill flawless 35mm hinge holes with the Going Make metal concealed hinge jig. Built from durable aluminum alloy and equipped with double bearings for smooth, accurate cuts. It features a quick clamp system, depth presets, and a dust vacuum adapter that fits standard 1 3/8-inch hoses, keeping your workspace clean while boosting precision. Now available for $44.63, 24% off the original $58.98, with free returns and exclusive prime pricing. Speed up your fence, blade, and bit setups with the Blockision Setup Blocks woodworking tools, a 16-piece aluminum gauge set with ruler-marked bars for fast, precise adjustments. Each block is accurate to plus or minus 0.001 inches and covers 1/16 to 1 inch in 1/32 inch increments, ideal for routers, table saws, and repeatable setups. Built from dent-resistant alloy and packed in a sturdy case, it's currently priced at $34.95, 13% off the original $39.95, with a 5% coupon available at checkout and free prime shipping. Install cabinet handles and knobs with speed and precision using the King & Charles Cabinet Hardware Jig, a complete set that includes an automatic center punch and 3-point drill bits for clean, accurate holes. With both metric and imperial scales, stainless steel guides, and a quick-release design, it's built for repeatable results on drawers, doors, and shaker fronts. Now just $11.99, 14% off the original $13.99, with free prime shipping and returns included. Tackle marking, measuring, and layout tasks with the Stage-Eek 34-pack Carpenter pencil set, a fully loaded kit featuring mechanical pencils, deep hole markers, carbide scribe tools, and more. With extended tips for tight spaces, waterproof ink for tricky surfaces, and a rugged canvas pouch for portability, it's built for serious woodworking and construction work. Currently available for $29.99, down from $36.99, plus a 5% coupon at checkout and free prime shipping. Glide through wood like butter with the Winkle Steel Wood Carving Tool Set, a premium 12-piece chisel kit crafted for hobbyists and professionals alike. Each blade is hand-polished from hardened vanadium steel alloy for lasting edge retention, while the octagonal wood handles and artisan tool roll add comfort and style to your workflow. Currently available for $99.97, marked down from $119.97, with free returns and a satisfaction guarantee that backs every cut. Measure, mark, and verify angles with confidence using the Greno Combination Square Woodworking Ruler Tools, a versatile set that includes a 7-inch carpenter square, 12-inch ruler, protractor, and 2-in-1 carpentry pencil. Built from aluminum zinc alloy with precision markings and a bubble level, it's ideal for layout, straight edge measuring, and 90-degree checks. Currently priced at $19.99, 13% off the original $22.99, plus a 10% coupon at checkout and free prime shipping. Trace curves, corners, and odd shapes with the Fiki Contour Gauge 12 plus 5-inch with lock, a dual-size duplicator made from durable ABS plastic with inch and centimeter scales on both sides. Its upgraded pins and locking teeth deliver precise outlines for tile, trim, flooring, and more, ideal for woodworking, construction, and DIY. Now available for $19.99, 23% off the original $25.99, with free prime shipping and returns included. Secure your workpieces with confidence with the BGASNW 3/4-inch bench dog clamp, a sturdy, non-marring solution for routing, cutting, and grinding on any benchwork with 19mm dog holes. Made from durable aluminum and fitted with silicone pads, it delivers strong clamping force without damaging your material. Easy one-handed operation makes it ideal for both pros and beginners. Now available for $26.99, 10% off the original $29.99, with free Prime shipping and returns included. Cut clean, consistent dowels with the DFM Toolworks Premium Dowel Maker Tool. Precision machined from 3/8" thick A2 tool steel for unmatched durability and accuracy. This 17-hole English plate handles multiple sizes and is built to withstand heavy use in any shop. Ideal for both hobbyists and pros. Made in the USA and currently priced at $54.99, 8% off the original $59.75, with free returns and Prime shipping included. Make narrow rip cuts safer and more controlled with the Zebic push block for table saws, router tables, bandsaws, and jointers. Its non-slip base grips firmly, while the top-mounted slider lets you dial in precise widths, even down to 1/4 inch. Compatible with most shop tools and easy to assemble, it's a must-have for safer, smoother cuts. Now priced at $28.79, 20% off the original $35.99, with free Prime shipping and returns included. Tackle wood, metal, plastic, and drywall with the AMSY 152-piece oscillating tool blade kit, featuring 10 blade types, 120 sandpapers, and quick-release compatibility with most major brands. Built from titanium, bimetal, and stainless steel, these blades offer long-lasting performance and reduced vibration thanks to a curved-edge design. Now available for $25.99, 28% off the original $35.99, with free Prime shipping and returns included. And that wraps up the top 20 Black Friday woodworking tool deals you can grab right now. These price drops are live, but they won't stay this low for long, so lock in your favorites before the inventory disappears. If you found this list helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our next deal roundup. Thanks for watching, and happy building!
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.